that kind of conversation, no, and a deteriorate your industry even more. And to me, I am one person. My experiences, I rather gain. Me friends me gain experience woman. Me take inspiration woman, and I work. I rather grow out of it. But then I will say for a fact, we are not an industry. We are willing to, when we see Jens Friend say, hey, do BAP or Spotify, sir. We are not in an industry. We are better manager so that everybody will be proactive. We are not. Let's be truthful. But we are not that kind of people. But of course, you see from the Kenny's days, okay, I was there. VIP took over Nigeria. True or false?
True.
True.
Now, the sound, that JQ sound, made them come in here in their numbers. And anytime you entered any studio, when probably meeting 2 or 3 or 4 Nigerian artists in the studio, plus their producers. Even Don Jazzy was here too.
Even Liberia president, upon most of the time.
Do you understand?
Or appear to studio.
So, Mebao, now that Afrobeat Abbey, you move me and say, and you can't to Lagos. How many of us have done that? Can we even do it? Can we sit on a plane? Kwabena Kwabena manager, we new, you find out, hey, Charlie, okay, so what do we do? So why don't we? I didn't, Maminka tree crown want to be. I didn't answer young call. But
say, most of our
there be a
individual collection.
You call individual.
Boom.
Me reliable fact. Fact, but me modin say e binim kura won na fufu obi won pese won be free bi alata yeni animal alata for no ba won pese won ni e binim kura be. There's a whole lot.
But boo